Welcome to Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 13. In previous sessions, we have learnt what is zodiac and how it can be represented on paper. We have also discussed in detail the important characteristics of planets and what the planets signify. In this session, you will learn about 12 signs known as 12 Rashis in Hindi, the symbols representing them, and the planets governing these Rashis. Rashis and symbols. In Vedic astrology, Aries is the first Rashi. It is known as Mesha in Hindi. Aries is represented by the symbol a male sheep, as you can see in column 3. The symbol given in column 4 is also used to represent Aries. Second Rashi is Taurus, known as Vrishbha in Hindi. Taurus is represented by ox or bull. It is also represented by the symbol shown in column 4. Third Rashi is Gemini, known as Mithun in Hindi. Gemini is represented by a couple, a male and female. Also, note the symbol given in column 4 to represent Gemini. Fourth Rashi is Cancer, known as Kark in Hindi. It is represented by a crab. Also, have a look at the symbol given in column 4. It is also used to denote Cancer. Leo is fifth Rashi, known as Simha in Hindi. Leo is represented by a lion. Also, remember the symbol given in column 4 for Leo. The sixth Rashi is Virgo, known as Kanya in Hindi. Virgo is represented by a female with grains in one hand. Also have a look at the symbol given in column 4. Seventh Rashi is Libra, known as Tula in Hindi. Libra is represented by a man holding a balancing rod. The symbol given in next column is also used to represent Libra. Eighth Rashi is Scorpio, known as Vrishchik in Hindi. Scorpio is represented by scorpion. Also, have a look at the symbol given in the next column. Ninth Rashi is Sagittarius, known as Dhanu in Hindi. Sagittarius is represented by the symbol comprising of half man and half horse. Upper half is a man with bow and lower half is a horse. The symbol given in next column is also used to represent Sagittarius. 10th Rashi is Capricorn, known as Makar in Hindi. It is represented by the symbol comprising of a deer and crocodile. Upper half is a deer and lower half a crocodile. We also use the symbol given in next column to denote Capricorn. 11th Rashi is Aquarius, known as Kumbha in Hindi. Aquarius is represented by a man holding a pitcher of water. Also remember the symbol given in the next column to represent Aquarius. The 12th Rashi is Pisces or Meen in Hindi. Pisces is represented by the symbol comprising of two fish moving in opposite direction. The symbol given in next column is also used to represent Pisces. These 12 Rashis have to be memorized in the same order as mentioned here. Learn these Rashis by their English names, Hindi names as given here, and the numbers assigned to them. Usually in horoscopes, the Rashis are represented by the numbers assigned to them, not by their names. So you have to remember the Rashis in correct order by the numbers representing them. For example, if in a horoscope number 1 is mentioned in some house, it means that house is allotted to Aries. If in some house number 9 is mentioned, it means that house is allotted to Sagittarius. If we find number 5 written in some house, it means that house is represented by Leo. Rashis and ruling planets. In Vedic astrology, each Rashi is ruled by one of the 7 planets: Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. This ruling planet is referred as the Lord of that Rashi. In Hindi, it is called Rashi Swami. First Rashi, Aries, is ruled by the planet Mars, known as Mangal in Hindi. Taurus is ruled by Venus, known as Shukra in Hindi. Gemini is governed by Mercury, known as Buddha in Hindi. Fourth Rashi, Cancer, is ruled by Moon, known as Chandra in Hindi. Fifth Rashi, Leo, is governed by Sun, known as Surya. Lord of the sixth Rashi, Virgo, is again Mercury, known as Buddha. Libra is governed by Venus. Scorpio is ruled by Mars, known as Mangal. Ninth Rashi, Sagittarius, is governed by Jupiter, known as Brihaspati in Hindi. Lord of the 10th Rashi, Capricorn, is Saturn, called Shani in Hindi. Aquarius is ruled by again Saturn. 12th Rashi, Pisces, is ruled by Jupiter, known as Brihaspati. You must have observed that Sun is the lord of only one Rashi, Leo, number 5, and Moon is also the lord of only one Rashi, Cancer, number 4. The remaining planets, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn, each of them is the lord of 2 Rashis. You can use this table to easily memorize the 12 Rashis and their lords. As you have seen, Sun rules only one Rashi, number 5, that is Leo, and Moon also rules only one Rashi, number 4, that is Cancer. So divide the 12 Rashis in 2 sets, each containing 6 Rashis. In first column, Write the first set of 6 Rashis starting with number 5, the Rashi ruled by Sun. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This set can be addressed as solar half. In second column, write the remaining Rashis starting with number 4 and moving in reverse order. 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11. This set can be referred as lunar half. Now, in the third column, mention the remaining planets excluding Sun and Moon. In the order as mentioned here: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Now you can observe from this table, Mercury rules the Rashis 6 and 3, that is Virgo and Gemini. Venus rules the Rashis 7 and 2, that is Libra and Taurus. Mars rules the Rashis 8 and 1, Scorpio and Aries. Jupiter rules the Rashis 9 and 12, that is Sagittarius and Pisces. Saturn rules the Rashis 10 and 11, that is Capricorn and Aquarius. To know more about the 12 Rashis, please watch Vedic Astrology Classes Session 14.